everyone. Welcome to Power Brain TV. Subscribe for more videos and get faster notification of the video. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. Class 8 Anupam Social Science Civics Chapter 10 Law and Social Justice. Questions and Answers. Exercise 1. Multiple choice questions. 1. In which year did the Bhopal gas tragedy take place? A. 1982. B. 1984. C. 1986. D. 1988. Answer B. 1984. 2. Which article of the Constitution mentions the right to life as a fundamental right? A. Article 19. B. Article 21. C. Article 23. D. Article 25. Answer B. Article 21. 3. The leakage of which gas was responsible for the Bhopal tragedy? A. Propane. B. Methane. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Methyl isocyanate. Answer D. Methyl isocyanate. 2. Fill in the blanks. 1. Children below the age of 14 years cannot be employed in hazardous employments. 2. A tragedy took place in Bhopal in the year 1984. 3. New laws have been passed to protect the environment pollution. 4. Union Carbide was the company responsible for the Bhopal gas tragedy. 3. State true or false. 1. Laws are made to protect the interests of manufacturers. Answer false. 2. Minimum Wages Act has been passed to protect the interests of the workers. Answer true. 3. Union Carbide accepted the responsibility for Bhopal gas tragedy and paid full compensation to the victims. Answer false. 4. The victims of Bhopal gas tragedy are still fighting for justice. Answer true. 5. Enjoyment of pollution-free water and air is a fundamental right. Answer true. IV. Short answer questions. 1. What do you understand by Minimum Wages Act? Answer. The Minimum Wages Act states that wages should not be below a specified minimum. This law is meant to protect the interests of all workers, particularly farm laborers, construction workers, factory workers, etc. 2. What was the reason for the Bhopal gas tragedy? Answer. The Bhopal disaster occurred when about 45 tons of the gas methyl isocyanate escaped from a plant owned by a subsidiary of the U.S. based Union Carbide Corporation. Investigations later established that substandard operating and safety procedures at the understaffed plant had led to the catastrophe. 3. Why are the workers prepared to work even at lower wages? Answer. The worker might not be trained to do skilled job and thus get low wages. The worker might choose to work part-time and does not mind low pay. For example, a student working doing a part-time job to earn his pocket money may not negotiate too much for higher wages. 4. What do you understand by law enforcement? Answer: law enforcement implies the government's responsibility as lawmaker and enforcer, to ensure obedience to its laws by everyone within the state that it governs. 5. What causes environmental pollution? Answer: agricultural activities. The insecticides, pesticide and fertilizer emit harmful chemicals. Burning stubble and farm residue also contribute to pollution. Factories and industries emit carbon monoxide, organic compounds, hydrocarbons and chemicals. Long answer questions. 1. Why didn't the victims of Bhopal gas tragedy get justice? Discuss. Answer: the court, led by Justice S.K. Kaul, stated the settlement could only be set aside on grounds of fraud, which the government didn't allege. The bench expressed dissatisfaction with the Union of India for raising the issue after 2 decades, asserting the plea for top-up compensation lacked a legal basis. 2. Write a paragraph on the various roles of the government that we have read in this unit. Answer: the government plays the following roles: providing public facilities like healthcare, sanitation and water supply, and ensures that these are not overtaken by the private enterprises. Enforcing law against child labor. Fixing minimum wages for workers and revising it from time to time. 3. How was environment treated earlier? What have been the changes in perception in the recent times? Answer: the environment was treated as a free entity and any industry could pollute the air and water without any restrictions. Now there has been a change in perception. Government has introduced laws on the environment. The government has set up laws and procedures that can check pollution, clean rivers. 4. Bhopal gas tragedy is an example of the slackness of the government in the enforcement of laws. Discuss critically. Answer: safety laws were lax in India and these weak safety laws were not enforced. Government officials refused to recognize the plant as hazardous and allowed it to come up in a populated locality. Thanks for watching with Power Brain TV. Like, subscribe, share.